vlog. Hi! Oh! Yay! Hello? What is wrong? Oh, there we go. No, why is it not? As you guys know, I'm going on a little solo trip next week and I need to prep myself. Today is Sunday and I'm gonna get my hair done today. I'm going back to, I have to take the train for like 2 hours. Okay. So, klaar. I have to take the train for 2 hours and also, I was like so dumb. So last night I soaked my braiding hair and I fell asleep and forgot to wash it out. So I just did that and it's hanging in the sun right now. Hopefully it'll dry in time. I'm getting attacked. Ew, I got one of your eye boogers on my hand. Anyways, this vlog is gonna be me prepping for my trip. Also, my lips are still a bit swollen. I got my lips touched up a few days ago. This is what I deal with. Excuse me. Nee. Oh, dat mag niet. Nee. So, I also need to do my nails. My nails look so bad right now. I'm gonna do them myself. I need to leave in like less than 2 hours. Sun's out, weather looks great, so I'm happy about that. And I'm gonna take you guys with me for the next couple of days, prepping for my trip. I'm not gonna tell you where we're going yet because when this goes live, I'll be there. And I think I kind of want to keep it a secret until I leave. Basically, I'm just gonna take you through my week, the next couple days while I get ready for holiday. And yeah. Just gonna head and order some quick groceries because I ran out of strawberries. And if there's one thing I'm gonna eat, it's strawberries, bitch. I don't know how this vlog's gonna be. I feel like it's just gonna be like a few days kind of combined. I'm back. My hair is such a fucking slay. Like, I'll show you guys like a 360 in a bit, but I'm back from my appointment, reunited with my child. I decided to go for bigger partings because I really didn't want to sit for too long and it's easier when taking it out because I just have so much fucking hair. But let me show you what it looks like. I just need my tripod. Is this not so slay? I just mixed like all of my leftover hair and the blonde that is in there is from this like Expressions ombre pack. It's the darker one. I barely had any of it, so we kind of just mixed it throughout and I love how that turned out because it just gives it more dimension and it's not just one color. And then once my hair goes out a little bit more, I'm gonna flip this over and wear it in a side part. But now it's too tight for that. I don't like braiding it in a side part because I like having like the versatility. That's the word I was looking for. Slay! I'm not sure yet if I'm gonna do my nails today. Look, the sun's out. I'm so fucking ready for my vacation. Like, I kind of wrote out my itinerary today. I might end up still changing that, but I'm pretty set on how I'm gonna spend my days there. I'm really not. I could go out and look at more touristy stuff, but I don't really know if I want to be doing that. I think I'm only gonna go to one spot, kind of see some few things around there, and then hopefully I'll enjoy it and I'll just come back. Yeah, swelling is starting to go down, which is good. It was very big for the past couple days. It kind of was giving duck. Next time I get my lips done, I'm gonna get them fully dissolved and like start over because I feel like I'm ready for it. But I didn't want to do it yet because I knew I was gonna go on a holiday. Yeah. I'm feeling kind of bloated. I was literally so gassy all day, but I had no opportunity to fart. So right as I got home, I let it all out and I felt so much better. My stomach hurt so bad and I just took a fat shit. Sorry if that's TMI, I don't care. Can I help you? Thanks for that. Oh. Ow, Blue. He thinks he can fucking bite my fingers with his, ow! Is it his molars, like the back teeth? You cannot nibble on my fingers like that. I think he's just excited that I'm back. Fuck off. We're done here. Show you guys this thing he does when I start talking to him slowly, kind of saying any words that he likes. Lucia, Williams. I'm not even allowed to finish my sentence. William. William. Eita. Yeah, Eita. Yeah. I've decided I am going to do my nails right now, but before I do that, I'm gonna have to figure out what to do with this. I don't want to talk about it. I'm going to set up my little nail station. I just do this at my dining table because that's just how I do it. I just have this one container that has basically everything I'll need. So I have this like little towel that I just use. Ooh, I'm also gonna have to tie my hair back. It's literally so long. I have the towel on top of this thing. I'm not a professional. I'm literally just, well, when I was like 15, I used to do my own acrylics. They were not good, but I was always trying. So I feel like I've always kind of been into doing my own nails. I used to get them done. Then she went on maternity leave and I just hadn't really found someone else that did like her technique. And I tried acrylics once and this girl, she did it really pretty, but like once I hit my nail, like I broke, like it started bleeding, and I haven't had that happen at all with like gel or the Gel X nails. So then I was like, I'm just gonna do my own nails, and I've been doing it ever since. Recently I went shorter with my nails also because it's just faster to do. Honestly, they've grown out a little bit, so I feel like I can just shape them really nicely and put like a natural pink. I might try to do the Hailey Bieber nail color. This girl like file. I don't think I have this thing that sucks up the dust when you're filing, but I don't feel like using it today. Living on the edge or something. Let's put that out of frame because I'm not sponsored. They're not paying my bills. First thing I'm gonna do is take off my current nails. I just have gel bottle stuff, but I'm gonna first file off like the top layer. I have the black gel polish on. It's so ugly, like ugliest nails I've done in a while, but I just was too lazy to take them off, so I just kept it the whole time. Let's see how this goes. I never know which way it's supposed to go. Let's see. Yeah, this is good. I basically just file off. I can max it out a bit. I'm low-key sad because I have no more weed left, but I'm definitely not gonna go to the coffee shop anymore. So I'm just honestly just dealing with it, and it's good for me because I'll get more shit done tonight. But man, I'd love to get high right now, man. It's not going as fast as I wanted it to. Why is it so thick on here? What the fuck did I do with my thumb? Damn, 20 layers, bro. What's going on? Ow. Okay, I definitely need to watch something while I'm doing this or else I'm gonna go crazy. So I'm gonna just play some music and make this a little montage for you.
Another night, I fall in your sight. Your new eyes cut sharp like a knife.
My window is open, so I hope it's not too loud. Let me also take out my gun. Yesterday, I ended up just finishing my nails. I was so tired, and I don't even love how they turned out because I'm just such a perfectionist, and I got kind of lazy at the end because I was tired, and I feel like I could have done better, but they're just simple. I'm gonna style some outfits. Most of my bags now are just my designer bags. I have a few of my like non-designer bags that I still use, but I wanted to get a few bags that I could bring with me that wasn't designer because I don't really want to have to worry about keeping it like perfect and like whatever. Like, so I got this one at Urban Outfitters. I thought it was cute. I like it. And it fits my iPad in there, so that's nice because I am going to spend a lot of time outside, but I also want to like do some of my things that I'm planning on doing. You'll see it in the vlogs, but then I can bring my iPad in the bag. I got this super cute little top from Urban Outfitters as well. So just imagine all of these without the bra, okay? Definitely gotta like squeeze in there a little. Making it even shorter like that. This would be like cute with it as well. Oh, I kind of like that. And then I have this mini skirt from Urban Outfitters as well. That's also cute. Okay, so this skirt is from Naked. I would definitely wear it kind of like low-waisted like that. Ooh, I love that. That's actually so cute. I got these sandals from ASOS. I'm getting a pedicure on Wednesday, which is needed, but I don't know if these are gonna be comfortable to like walk around in. It's giving Ivan girl, isn't it? Like fuck with the braids. All of these sandals are so dusty because I never wear sandals. Only when I go on vacation, and I literally go on vacation like once a year. I also have some Yeezy slides. These ones, which could be nice with them. And these are so comfortable as well. I got them in a 38. If my legs are ashy, keep it to yourself. I got these in a 38 and I usually wear like a 36 and a half and they just about fit. So I wish I got them like one size bigger, but I think this is actually quite a cute outfit with the slides. Like I would actually feel so comfortable walking around in this. And I'm totally down to do some looks for just content, but if I'm like walking around, I just want to be so comfortable, and these are it, man. These are it. I think that's a vibe. Fucking sick. I'm fucking sick right now. It's funny because I was kind of going back into hibernation the past few days because I'm meant to get my period, and like my hormones are just like this. And so I've just been not even leaving my house, and then I got my hair done. I was like, who is this bitch? Hello, I'm back, baby. What the fuck? I feel good now. And actually like putting these outfits on and like seeing myself, I'm not gonna say where I'm going yet, but seeing myself there on the beach, like reading a book, like kind of like this. Because it does kind of bring out the green in the skirt. I have to pee really bad, but I kind of like this as well. And then I would probably just have like a second bag because I did buy this one. Let me take all of this shit out. I bought this bag to bring to the beach so I could just bring this along and have this as my little shoulder bag. And if I'm like going out, there's one day that I want to go shopping, I would probably just have this and then ooh, girl, let me take a photo because I'm gonna save all of this and keep it in my notes. And I like to like try something on if I know I'm taking photos. Like I like to see how it looks on my body and like when I'm posing. I have this other skirt and I don't want a green. I don't know, I'm kind of into green right now. This like sage, whatever it is. I have this other skirt that I want to try on. I don't know if I should, maybe not with this one. Okay, gotta suck in a little for this one, y'all. Okay, so I can't really wear this low waist because it's a bit too small, as you can tell, and it makes it look like I have muffin tops, which I don't. So I would have to wear it like this or like this moment, but that's, oh, that's a lot. You know, I don't want to give pussy, but whenever I wear something on top of my stomach, like high-waisted, I end up getting such a bad stomach ache because like none of my shit can move, you know what I mean? I like just having this and it's like, I don't know, it feels better. So you can do like a black bikini. This can like be kind of like a bikini cover-up type moment. So I have this bikini top from Naked. The skirt is from Urban Outfitters. I don't like that. I don't know about the skirt. Like, I don't know if this, is this better? Maybe this is better, but it's just so uncomfortable to me, like, if I wear something high-waisted. I'm not a heels girl. I'm just so, like, not confident enough in the way that I walk on heels that I could wear them out. But I do feel like these boots kind of make it easier because the heel really isn't too much to deal with. And I can actually kind of walk in these, so I really want to try and be this girl, but I don't know, man. Like a classy little. Okay, Naked. Quality is not great. As you can tell, this thing is like coming out. Is this something I want to see? Yeah, these glasses are like crooked. I hate when cheap glasses are like that. I do feel like this could maybe be my birthday dinner outfit. Cause you know, it's nothing too crazy. I'm just gonna be by myself. I think I'm just gonna have dinner at my hotel because like I said, I'm going on a solo trip to be alone for my birthday because I want to be alone. I don't want to celebrate it big or anything, but I am just gonna have dinner with myself, which is gonna be so weird because I don't do that. It's just a trip, growth, and stepping out of my comfort zone. So I feel like this could be my dinner outfit at the hotel because it's nothing too much. It's gonna be really fucking hot, so I can get away with wearing this, right? And then the Jacquemus bag. So this is naked, this is naked, this is Tiger Mist from last year, and then this is naked as well. This outfit's really cute. The skirt is from Urban Outfitters, the top, I think it's also Urban Outfitters. And then I would wear it with the green bag because obviously you want to try to wear things multiple times when you're packing. I think this is going to be cute on the feed. I'm going to try to film more TikTok content because I feel like I need to move over to TikTok because Instagram's just going to shit. Air Forces. I think I'm going to wear this on the day that I go shopping because I think this will be a good shopping day outfit. I'll bring like a tote bag with like my camera stuff because I am gonna still shoot content. Girl, this looks fucking good. I might have to wear some shorts underneath because I don't feel comfortable. I know a lot of you guys want for me to like film high like smoking shit content or whatever. I don't want to get demonetized. First crack a cold one open, y'all. Cheers, y'all. Give me a second.